Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Let Me Down Slowly by Alec Benjamin. So it's the same 4-chord progression that runs through the entire song. So most of it is the riff you heard in the preview before the video. So I'm going to teach you that, and then also the chords that are held down in the odd section throughout the song. So all information is in the description below, so the full chord, song, and lyric structure. So let's get into the video. So we're going to do the right hand first. We're going to try and imitate what the guitar is picking on the piano. So it's going E, C sharp, E, G sharp, E, D sharp, B, D sharp, B, D sharp, B, D sharp, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, E, C sharp. So I'll go through that again. And that's all that the right hand is doing. So I'll just speed that up a bit. So the left hand chords with that, we're going to play in fifths. So we've got C sharp and G sharp, and then to B and F sharp, then to G sharp and D sharp, and then move that upper semitone to A and E. So I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put that together now very slowly. And as I said, that repeats throughout most of the song. So if you want to just play the chords, I'm going to go over those as well. You can still play the fifths in the left hand, but in the right hand we have a C sharp minor, which is C sharp, E and G sharp. And then we have B major, which is B, D sharp and F sharp. And then we have G sharp minor, which is G sharp, B and D sharp. And then A major, which is A, C sharp and E. So I'll go through that again. So that concludes the tutorial. It's a relatively short one because it's so repetitive, but it's a nice little guitar riff that translates quite nicely to the piano. So I hope that's been useful and that you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a big thumbs up if you have. If you haven't subscribed to Bitesize Piano already, please do hit that subscribe button and go check out many more piano tutorials that are over on my channel. Also, if you can't find what you're looking for on my channel, go see the comment section below where you can submit a piano tutorial request. All requests are noted and considered. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye!